is doubtlessly an asset to his class and the pride of his parents. Congrats, Azhaz. From class 3, we have Nikhil Thadanga. Very mature in his thinking style, Nikhil is a pleasure during class discussions. An exemplary student, Nikhil will stop at nothing but the best. Born with many leadership skills, Nikhil holds the great promise of many more laurels in the years to come. From class 4, we have Ashita Reddy, Miss Impeccability personified. Ashita is a very soft-spoken, humble girl, with her feet firmly rooted to the ground. Her spotless work and tireless striving for perfection makes her an asset. Congratulations to her proud parents. From class 5, we have Mrinal. Mrinal is a disciplined boy with a sincere attitude towards studies. He has very caring and involved parents, and he has a strong foundation for values and ethics. He adjusts well with his peers and tries to achieve perfection in whatever he does. From class 6, we have C.R. Kanupriya. Can we have C.R. Kanupriya on the dais, please?
Talent in music and dance, well adjusted with his peers. Ganesh is a delight to have in class. He is quite popular among his teachers as well as because of his forthcoming nature to take on additional responsibilities. Class 11, Gayatri Priya. She joined us only in class 11 and amazed us with her maturity of thought and multi-talented personality. Very soft-spoken, courteous and well-informed. Gayatri is an avid reader too. She has all the qualities that will bring pride to her parents and her school. Class 11, Neha Bam. Blessed with vivacious personality, Neha, who is a school head girl, has been a consistent performer who competes with none other than her own self. She promised to lead her school from the front and she has lived up to her words, be it academics, cultural events, or as master of ceremony. She has amazed us with her larger-than-life performances. Can we have Kanupriya Suhas on the stage? Let's have a round of applause for them, please. Now I would like to call upon Mr. P. Madhusudan Rao Garu to facilitate the class 10 and class 12. 2015. He held the post of Vice Captain of Valley House during his tenure and balanced his responsibilities as captain along with academics very well. We wish him all the best for his future endeavors. Class 10, Aisha Khalil, during her tenure in school and balanced them well with her academics. We wish her all the best for her future endeavors. Class 10, K. Pallavi Roy. Pallavi year 2014 and 2015. She exhibited remarkable talent in dance and literary activities. We wish her all the best for future endeavors. Class 10, Amita Marisetti, 2014-2015. She is a gregarious girl with a pleasant smile on her face always. She had various posts of responsibilities during her tenure in school and balanced them well with her academics. We wish her all the best for her future endeavors. Year 2014 and 2015. He was a well-behaved student, well-adjusted with his peers and sincere toward academics. He shone in the field of sports. We wish him all the best for his future endeavors.
Green House. Can we have a representative from the Green House, please? The House Warden and the Captain and Vice Captain are on the board to receive the best House Award. big business firm.